Hello and welcome to perfect square trinomials. This is a method of factoring for certain kinds of trinomials, things with three terms, that factor very quickly. It's very easy to factor if they happen to follow the format of a perfect square trinomial. A perfect square trinomial follows this form. The first term is a perfect square. You could have positive or negative in the middle, but the second term is going to be 2 times the square root of this times the square root of this. And the last term is perfect square. So basically, to check and see if something is a perfect square trinomial, you have to ask 3 questions. Is the first term a perfect square? Is the last term a perfect square? Is the middle what you get if you multiply the square root of this times the square root of this times 2? If that's what you get, then this is a perfect square trinomial and we can factor it very quickly. Let me show you with this example down here. Scroll up a little bit here. Okay, first question. Is this a perfect square? Yes, because x times x is x squared. Is the last term a perfect square? Well, yes, because 5 times 5 is 25. Now, if I take the square root of this one and the square root of this one and multiply it, that's 5x. If I double it, is that the middle term? 10x? Yes, 5x times 2 is 10x. So this is a perfect square, this is a perfect square, and the middle term is double this times this. So that's what happens. This is a perfect square trinomial. Awesome. If it is, here's how you factor it. These guys go here and here. These guys go here and here. The middle term is the same as this middle term, both plus and plus. You can check it by FOIL. Okay? How about this one? Is the first term a perfect square? Yes, because 2x times 2x is 4x squared. Is the last one a perfect square? Well, yes, because 3 times 3 is 9. Oops. Is the middle term the right thing? If I multiply these, that's 6x, doubled is 12x. Okay, good. Yes, it is. So this is a perfect square trinomial. Awesome. So I can go straight to my answer. 2x, 2x, 3, 3, plus, plus. Okay? If the middle term was negative, we would make both of these negative. But the middle term, the signs are always the same as the middle term. You might want to jot that one down. The signs are always the same as the middle term. Alright, let's do a couple to try. Pause the video and try the first 2, and then I'll help you do the first 2. Pause and try. And here's me. Is this one a perfect square? Yes, 3x, 3x. Is this one a perfect square? Yes, 4 and 4. If I multiply those, that's 12x. Doubled is 24x, so this is a perfect square trinomial. So I can go straight to my answer. I don't have to do a diamond or any of that kind of work. I can just go to this. And my middle sign is plus, so these signs are plus. This one? 7x, 7x, yes, perfect square. 2, 2, yes, perfect square. Multiply is 7x, doubled is 28, oh, not 56. Not a perfect square trinomial. So we will skip this one for now. It is not a perfect square trinomial. How about this one? Go ahead and try these 2 now. Go ahead and pause. Okay, 10x, 10x. 3, 3. Aha, yes. 30x doubled is 60x. This is a perfect square trinomial. So I can factor it. 10x, 10x, 3, 3. Middle's positive. My middles are positive. Last one. xx, yy, xy times 2. Yep. Yes, it is. Done. If it's a perfect square trinomial, it's very fast to factor.